All right, special unboxing. Two of my favorite companies are also here, ANKER and SPIGEN. This is going to be a great video of the 4 best fast wireless charging stations out there in the market. Is all from Amazon.com. This is the new kid on the block. This is the ultra fast 3-in-1 15 watt. Again, ANKER, this is the old one, 533, if I'm correct. And this is a new kid on the block, AMEGAT. Never heard of this, but love the finish. And this is my classic SPIGEN. Stick around for something cool and a quick comparison on all of these 4. Thank you.